Europe has 25,000 of them. Austria builds more of them each year than conventional chlorinated pools. The city of Webern, Austria opened the first public version in 1998, and it has operated continuously for 26 years without a single gram of chlorine, a single filter cartridge, or a single chemical additive of any kind. The water is cleaned entirely by plants and microorganisms. It meets European bathing water quality standards. The average American pool owner spends $500 to $1,000 per year on chemicals alone before touching a filter, a pump, or a heating bill. There are fewer than 500 of these pools permitted in the entire United States. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why and what it would take to change that. Subscribe to Off the Meter. We find the solutions the world forgot to use. The biological principle that makes a natural swimming pool function has been operating in every healthy freshwater lake and river on Earth since water existed. A balanced aquatic ecosystem maintains its own water clarity and biological safety through the continuous activity of aquatic plants absorbing nutrients, microorganisms breaking down organic material, and the physical filtration of substrate, gravel, sand, and root systems, removing suspended particles from the water column. Every village that swam in a mill pond, every town that bathed in a river, and every culture that built ceremonial bathing pools from stone and planted them with reeds was using the same biological system that European pool engineers formalized into a construction standard in the 1980s. The formal engineering of natural swimming pools began in Austria. Hans-Peter Patuchnig, an Austrian landscape architect working in Carinthia in the early 1980s, was studying the water quality dynamics of alpine lakes when he began applying the same biological principles to a deliberately constructed bathing environment. His first engineered natural swimming pool, completed in 1983 in Klagenfurt, divided the water body into two zones, a swimming zone of open water and an adjacent regeneration zone planted with aquatic macrophytes, water iris, water mint, bulrush, and hornwort, that process the water flowing continuously through them from the swimming zone. No pump circulating chemicals, no filter membrane requiring replacement, a submersible pump moving water from the swimming zone through the planted regeneration zone and back. The plants and their associated root zone microorganisms did everything a chemical treatment system does through biological processes that require no consumable inputs beyond sunlight and the plants themselves. Patuchnig published his design methodology in 1985, and the Austrian landscape architecture profession adopted it rapidly. By 1990, several hundred private natural swimming pools had been constructed across Austria, Germany, and Switzerland. The first public natural swimming pool opened in the Vienna district of Hernals in 1994, a municipally owned facility serving thousands of bathers per season without a chlorination system. The Austrian Standards Institute published ONORM 2462, the world's first national standard for natural swimming pool construction and water quality, in 1998, the same year the Webern public pool opened. The standard established design parameters for swimming zone depth, regeneration zone sizing relative to swimming area, hydraulic retention time in the planted zone, and water quality monitoring protocols. It gave Austrian engineers a compliance framework. Austrian building authorities had a code table to reference. Construction scaled accordingly. The technology crossed into the United Kingdom in the early 2000s when a British landscape architect named Michael Littlewood published Natural Swimming Pools in 2001. This was the first English-language design guide for the technology. A small number of specialist contractors began offering installations for private gardens. The UK had no equivalent of Austria's ONORM 2462 and no public health regulatory framework for natural pools. Yet, private residential installations fell outside public bathing water regulations and proceeded without regulatory interference. By 2010, an estimated 2,000 private natural swimming pools were operating across the United Kingdom, Germany, France, and the Netherlands. Not one had generated a documented public health incident attributable to the natural filtration system failing. The natural swimming pool works through a biological filtration process that aquatic ecologists call the root zone method. This is a principle applied in constructed wetlands for wastewater treatment since the 1970s and transferred to recreational bathing water in 1983. The pool is divided into two hydraulically connected zones. The swimming zone is open water maintained at bathing depth, typically 1.2 to 2 meters, with a clean gravel substrate and no planted vegetation. The regeneration zone, sized at a minimum of 50% of the total pool surface area, is a shallow planted bed. A low-energy submersible pump moves water from the swimming zone through the regeneration zone at a flow rate calibrated to achieve a complete water turnover through the planted bed every 24 to 48 hours. It consumes between 50 and 150 watts continuously, less than a standard incandescent light bulb. 3 biological processes maintain water quality. First, aquatic macrophytes like water iris and bulrush absorb nitrogen and phosphorus. Second, a biofilm of nitrogen-fixing bacteria establishes itself on the gravel and processes organic material into compounds the plants can absorb. Third, the gravel substrate itself provides mechanical filtration, removing suspended particles from the water as it flows through the bed. The Technical University of Munich conducted a systematic water quality monitoring study of 12 natural swimming pools across Bavaria between 2005 and 2010. Their published results confirmed that all 12 installations consistently met the European Union's bathing water directive standards. Mean E. coli counts were lower than the equivalent measurements taken from the monitored natural lakes in the same region. The plants clean the water better than the lakes that humans have been swimming in safely for 10,000 years. But does that performance hold under real bathing loads in real public facilities across real European summers? The Webern Public Natural Swimming Pool in Lower Austria has operated continuously since 1998. In 26 consecutive swimming seasons serving thousands of bathers annually, the facility has recorded 0 pool closures attributable to water quality failure. The Lower Austrian Regional Health Authority conducts mandatory water quality testing at the facility under the EU Bathing Water Directive. Every published annual monitoring report has confirmed compliance with the directive's water quality standards. The facility's annual operating budget for water treatment is €0 in chemical inputs. A conventional public chlorinated pool of equivalent size serving equivalent bather numbers in Austria spends approximately €40,000 to €60,000 per year on chlorine, pH adjustment chemicals, and chemical dosing equipment maintenance. In Munich, the Nitrobad Marienfelde, a public natural swimming facility opened in 2003, serves over 100,000 bathers per season across an installation covering 12,000 square meters of total water surface. The Munich city government's annual facility reports documents sustained water quality compliance across 21 consecutive seasons, with no chemical treatment inputs and annual water treatment operating costs of approximately €8,000, covering only the electricity consumed by the circulation pump. A conventional municipal pool of equivalent capacity in Munich operates on an annual chemical treatment budget of approximately €80,000 to €100,000. In the United Kingdom, the London Borough of Hackney opened the UK's first public natural swimming pool at Woodbury Wetlands in 2019. The facility's first full operating season produced water quality results that the Environment Agency confirmed as meeting EU Bathing Water Directive standards throughout. The Hackney facility documented operating costs for water treatment in its first season at approximately £12,000, covering pump electricity and plant maintenance. The nearest equivalent conventional public Lido in London reported chemical treatment costs of approximately £95,000 for the same season. In the United States, the first municipally permitted public natural swimming pool opened in Minneapolis, Minnesota in 2015 at Weber Natural Swimming Pool, a conversion of an existing conventional pool. The Minneapolis Park and Recreation Board's published monitoring data confirmed water quality compliance with Minnesota Department of Health bathing water standards across 9 consecutive operating seasons. The facility eliminated its entire annual chemical treatment budget of approximately $35,000. It required a specific legislative exemption from the Minnesota Department of Health's standard pool regulations to operate, an exemption that took 4 years of regulatory negotiation to obtain before the first plant was installed. Every monitored European facility confirms the same water quality outcome. Every American facility that has achieved regulatory approval confirms the same cost elimination. So why does the United States continue requiring chemical treatment in every permitted public and private pool when biological filtration demonstrably delivers equivalent or superior water quality at a fraction of the operating cost? The United States swimming pool industry was valued at approximately $15 billion in 2023. The Pool and Hot Tub Alliance, the trade organization representing pool builders, equipment manufacturers, and chemical suppliers in the United States, reported over 3,000 member companies generating revenue from pool construction, equipment sales, and ongoing chemical supply relationships. The pool chemical market alone was valued at approximately $1.2 billion in the United States in 2023. A natural swimming pool eliminates that $1.2 billion chemical market entirely for every installation it replaces. It also eliminates filter cartridge replacement, chlorinator equipment maintenance, and the service call revenue generated by chemical imbalance correction, a recurring revenue stream that chemical-dependent pool systems generate on a predictable annual cycle. The regulatory mechanism preventing natural swimming pools from operating legally across the majority of American states is the Model Aquatic Health Code, a voluntary but widely adopted framework published by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in 2014 and updated in subsequent biennial editions. The MAHC was developed with direct input from the Pool and Hot Tub Alliance and the Association of Pool and Spa Professionals. It establishes minimum design and operational standards for public aquatic venues across the United States. The MAHC's disinfection chapter requires that all public pool water be treated with an approved chemical disinfectant, chlorine, bromine, or ultraviolet light combined with a chemical residual to maintain a measurable disinfectant residual throughout the water body at all times. A natural swimming pool operating through biological filtration maintains no chemical disinfectant residual. Under the MAHC framework, it cannot be classified as a compliant public aquatic venue regardless of its documented water quality performance. The standard was written for chemical treatment systems. The biological alternative has no compliance column in the table. Austria's EU-Norm 2462 provides a full design and water quality compliance framework for natural swimming pools. Germany's DIN 19643 was amended in 2012 to include a specific section for biologically filtered bathing water. France's National Health Code was updated in 2019 to create a separate permitting pathway for natural pools. Each country wrote a compliance table for the biological system alongside the chemical system. The CDC's Model Aquatic Health Code has never included a natural pool chapter in any edition published since 2014. The Natural Swimming Pool and Pond Association of North America maintains a directory of regulatory jurisdictions that have granted specific exemptions for natural pool construction. Minneapolis, Portland, and several Colorado municipalities have established individual exemption pathways. A private residential natural swimming pool in most American states falls outside public pool regulations entirely and requires only standard building permits. No one sat in a room and decided to ban natural swimming pools, but rather, the system was never designed to accommodate it. The code was written by the people who understood pool water chemistry, and every one of them worked with chlorine. When the global supply chain disruption of 2021 created a nationwide chlorine shortage in the United States, when the Biolab chemical plant fire in Westlake, Louisiana in August 2020 destroyed 60% of the country's trichlor tablet production capacity, and pool chemical prices increased by 200 to 300% in 12 months. American pool owners waited months for chemical supplies, paid 3 times the previous year's price, and in many cases closed their pools entirely through a summer when outdoor recreation was the only safe option available. Every one of the 25,000 natural swimming pools operating across Europe swam through that same summer. No supply chain, no tablet, no shortage. The plants kept filtering. The pool chemical industry spent $1.2 billion last year selling inputs that a biofilm of bacteria and a row of water iris replaces for free. Hans-Peter Petuchnig's 1983 Klagenfurt installation proved that 42 years ago. The Technical University of Munich confirmed it across 12 installations over 5 years. Minneapolis confirmed it across 9 consecutive seasons. Webern, Austria has confirmed it for 26 uninterrupted years without closing once. The plants are still growing, the water is still clean, the chemical bill is still zero. The question was never whether it works. The question is why we're still asking why we don't use it. This is Off the Meter. Subscribe so you never miss the next solution the world forgot to use.